Yes, it's your favorite review, DIY, and soon to be a vlogger, Cheryl Nekati here. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, press that subscribe button and the notification bell, ting-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, and even like it because, you know, clout. So today we are going to be taking a look at a MSC cruise that I took in December when I thought I was going to be a vlogger for YouTube. Now look at me. Changing tires. So yes, we're going to be taking a look at the December cruise that I took with MSC Cruises. I already have cruising experience with Carnival, but I totally enjoyed this one because we were here. Llanos! I'm a piano if you're somewhere else around the world. It's not that long ago, but I remember those were the days I thought I was a vlogger. So we're going to be taking a look at it with the the MSC orchestra ship is the one we took. We were front deck living. Is it front deck? Ooh. We were front of the boat of the ship living, and I remember I immediately thought I was gonna get into vlogging. Gonna be my very first YouTube video. The second we stepped into the ship, it's like, you know, it would. The fact that I even have footage, a miracle. Daryl put some footage together. We're living in very weird times right now, so let's relive some moments. Some of this footage was up on my Instagram in that real time, so make sure you are following me on Instagram because that's where I put most of my travel stuff right here. So let's go. Okay, we are starting. Let's go. That I am so extra. Oh, and mind you, thank goodness for iPhones, because they take live photos, and live photos basically give you like these little movies. If it was not for those, would I have a video? Getting back to it.
No, that's all. I don't need to buy anything from the shops if I get things here.
Yes, baby. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? A balcony. Our names are like on the TV. That was so cool. Hey YouTube, finally we have arrived and it's actually quite cute. MSC has really outdone itself. Our bags are not yet here, and what's the time? It's 1, and they said we should go to our rooms and our bags are not here, so that's a little bit stressful. But other than that, the room is cute. Compared to Carnival, I'd say it's a little bit smaller, but we got a balcony. The views are amazing. I'm just gonna do like a little turn. We haven't yet left port. We need to still do the embarkation drill, and after the embarkation drill, that's probably my mom called it, and after the embarkation drill, then it's the party. So let's see how it actually fares up. But I know I'll enjoy myself. Like, oh my. So in the ship, they were literally stores. So in different decks, you could actually go and navigate your way through different shops, which is really cool. And I remember seeing a guest shop, and I was just like, one day, you know, when the bank account balances in my dreams. Oh my God. The ship is one big party, ladies and gents. It is one from the moment you get on. It's Arihambeni Parara, which basically means let's go. We are disembarking. Woo! Why is my English always failing at these moments? We are leaving the port, so let's party. So this was like a goodbye party, which is really nice. The song is very old, but we were the ones making the ship move. Like, woo, the dance, woo. Already Cheryl with the shopping. So my mom did this really cool thing. She actually got our names imprinted on our tops and stuff that we were wearing. We saw people doing it when we cruised with Carnival. At the back of the ship, and literally after exploring the ship, it's absolutely beautiful. Yes, it's small, everything is a walking distance away, which is a good thing, I guess. I mean, my feet aren't that tired, but I'm honestly enjoying the place. The guests that are here are actually quite nice, so as well as the crew. Don't have control over the guests, but the crew is actually really, really nice. And I love the fact that it's in South Africa, so like when Amapiano is playing and House is playing, everybody actually knows how to dance and what to do. It's not like an awkward two-step, but I'm actually really enjoying the place. And just look at that behind me. It's gorgeous. Gonna do a little bit of a tour. Don't want to give too much away for those that have never been on a cruise. Did I give this tour? We had the most gorgeous views, the balcony. It was, you know what, if you're cruising, it's for a balcony or very giant window, because that's how you enjoy the cruise, really. Yes, we. This was such a... You wanna say hi, D-Man?
What's up, my G?
Not play. Did you see I'm picking up things that I do not look like they need to be picked up? Like, leave that thing alone. This was like a little lapa they had on the island, like a little private lapa. Yeah, Cheryl was living her best life. I mean, the views were matching with my outfit. It was like, you go, Cheryl. You go, go. It was time to go back. Amazing people on the ship. It was such a joy partying with them. Cruising is really an experience you enjoy it mostly when you're with the right people. Because if you are trying to cruise and the person you're cruising with doesn't want to like go to the events or just wants to stay in the room all the time and do nothing. Woo! Okay, hopefully you guys just heard what just happened, because I'm not gonna include any of this footage. There's this thing called penny aces, and penny aces were fun. Yo! This was like December, hey? It's when we were inside. Makalani's. Why do I have so much party footage? Oh my goodness! Yeah! Oh my goodness! Take me back! Alright. They gave me like this pineapple that I basically was gonna have to hold around. Ooh, child. Just watch and see how big it was. I looked crazy. I'm on the dance floor with like a giant tropical pineapple. Barracuda. With the pineapple. She was crew. Check that. She was part of the crew, guys. Woo! Day what? Day 2. Yesterday was a bit too nice, and we just woke up with the time 11. Yeah, man. And funny, and right now that's like a normal time for us to wake up. I mean, not doing anything, but you know. Right now this guy is feeding back. Imagine if you're feeling nice in the morning and the guy is feeding back on water, so like literally we can feel it. It's for cream soda, it's for Fanta, it's for what? For all of those. But I would literally not trade this with you for anything. You're on the coast of somewhere. You were on the coast of somewhere. Alright. Did all the shopping that's in our room.
I'm sorry. You must say I got them saying
No, this is.
exclamation mark. You add emphasis to a point.
I wish I remembered some of their names. I just remember Jez.
It's like an exclamation mark. You add emphasis to a point by saying
Yo!
So I'm drunk.
Daryl and I last night. What's the time right now? Check the time.
It's 2:20.
It's 2:20, and we just said goodbye to our friends. Actually, in case we don't see them tomorrow, disembarking.
Yeah.
But it's been a trip.
I'm in it, bro.
It's been a trip, and yeah, I think it's mostly the people you meet and the memories you make for yourself. You need to make
Memories
the
for
trip. Yeah, you
everything.
need to make the memories and the trip for yourself. It's been amazing. It's time to sleep. Wow. And it's done. We actually were on a very beautiful trip, and we had the opportunity of staying on the top floor, so we were one of the first to disembark, and it was done so effortlessly, and wow, I actually really miss holiday now. But anyway, that was my augmented vlog, right? Because I can't vlog. Like, what am I going to vlog? Going downstairs. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. My name is Cheryl Nekati. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on my other social media, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, where you can get to interact with me some more. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribing. Tell me, what are you doing to pass the time? I'm obviously reminiscing. We'll see you in the next video. Make it this far in my videos. A shout out to you because you are the real OG. What do you like to see? What do you like to see, Cheryl? Do sound off below in the comments or my social media. And you just saw that. Yeah.